Hey guys, Rick from Gas and Alley, and we haven't done parts installation in a little bit, and this one's a pretty simple one today, but we have some questions a lot of times on which track do I need for which toy, as well as just how to get them on. So the get them on, get them off isn't such a big deal, but I got a nice Tonka shovel here. This is considered an early shovel by the early wheels, and I'll show you how to do that in a second. A lot of the times the early Tonkas, with these narrow tracks, they were stapled or they just get really brittle. So you have tracks like this that are kind of falling apart, broken off. They're really like brittle, crumbly, or like even on the back side here, no tracks. So the one way to tell, first off, we'll kind of see what track do I need. So the one way to tell a lot of times, and it's not the end all be all, but a lot of times, if the axle goes through the center of the wheel here, then it's an early version. So I have a couple of pieces. Here is our early version of the replacement wheel. It's a TKP 144 is the part number for this one. And so you see what I mean here by the axle going through the wheel. The other version that we have for the later version is riveted together, so there is no axle hole to go through. These actually slide into the piece itself and the tracks hold them. So, but the early version, the axle goes through the wheel. When you see that, you need the early version tracks, which are part number TKP 131. Now these are the narrower of the two tracks or whatever. The later style track, you can kind of see the difference in the widths. So this is later style, this is earlier style. So TKP 131, TKP 092 for the wider. And so basically, once you get the tracks in your hand, they're nice and soft and pliable, so they go on pretty easy. But basically, you just kind of hook it on one end. There, get it started there, and just roll the wheel around, and there you go. That side track is on, and we'll flip it around to the other side. And the other thing you can kind of tell with these tracks, the narrow track fits right inside the center of the wheel like that. So when it's on, I'll just show you here quick with this our part here. When it's on, it fits right like that, flush to the sides, perfect like that. The little center ring goes right down in that groove here, and right on. So, oops, we'll get this side pulled on here. Just lay it on its side. This is a shovel that we sold last night during our live sale. I promised the guy that I'd put new tracks on it for him, and a lot of times we don't install them, but as long as we were going to do this today, we thought, well, we'll shoot a video and just show you guys that. Roll it on, and good to go. And then I will just briefly show you the fitment of the other ones. So the later style wheel is a TKP 145, and then this track is the thicker track or the wider track, and it's a TKP 092. And that one again has the staples on the inside. It fits right down in the ridge and fits the width of the wheel. So the easiest way to tell, other than if the style of the wheels, if you're not sure, we have the pictures of the tracks on the website with a ruler scale. So you just need to be able to see which your width of the wheel. One's narrower, one's wider. Okay, so measure the width of your wheel. And again, wider track fits right to the flush to the edge. Narrower track fits right inside. So pretty easy installation today, guys, on those. But again, the wider track will fit a lot more of the later vehicles, like the T6 dozers, the trenchers, the loader, stuff like that. That is the track you need for those. And yeah, that's about all we got today, guys. So tune in next time for more installation videos. So we just finished up the installation video for the Tonka tracks. Like I kind of mentioned during the comments, we actually sold this during one of our live sales last night. We go live on Facebook at least once a week, sometimes twice a week. We're live every Wednesday night at 7 o'clock Central in the Facebook Live Auction and Sales group. We can probably get a link in this video right to the group to where to join. You have to be a group member to join. But you can pick up nice toys like this from us weekly on our Wednesday night sales. And we always have a good selection of press steel to shop for. I think it was about a month ago, I sold a Tonka houseboat set on the Facebook Live. So we do run nice stuff. We run some lower end stuff, some price points for everybody. So be sure to check us out on our Facebook Live videos.